Let's take a look at what happened on September 19th in history. On this day in 1960, an important water-sharing treaty between India and Pakistan was brokered by the World Bank. The liberal water-sharing agreement was signed between India and Pakistan in Karachi by the then Indian Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and Pakistan President Ayub Khan. Under this treaty, India got control over Beas, Ravi, Satluj, while Pakistan got control over Indus, Chenab and Jhelum. Indus, Chenab and Jhelum are the lifelines of Pakistan, and the country is heavily dependent on these for its water supply. Since these rivers originate in India, the Indus originates in China and flows through India to Pakistan, the countries had to enter into an agreement that clearly spells out the exact do's and don'ts for each nation. India has set up dams over the three eastern rivers over which India has full control. Remember that in 2019, amid the India-Pakistan tension in February, India had decided to fully utilize India's share of water, an amount of which was still flowing into Pakistan uninterrupted. United States detonated a 1.7 kiloton nuclear weapon in an underground tunnel at the Nevada test site on this day in 1957 during the Cold War era. This was the first fully contained underground detonation and produced no radioactive fallout. The first nuclear weapon test took place on July 16, 1945 at the Trinity site near Alamogordo, New Mexico. A few weeks later, on August 6, 1945, with the US at war against Japan, President Harry Truman authorized the dropping of an atomic bomb named Little Boy over Hiroshima in Japan. 3 days later, on August 9th, a nuclear bomb called Fat Man was dropped over Nagasaki. The two searing explosions killed at least 200,000 people, according to some estimates. On August 15, 1945, Japan surrendered to the Allied powers. On 19 September 1965, astronaut Sunita Williams was born. She formerly held the records for most spacewalks by a woman and most spacewalk time for a woman. Williams was assigned to the International Space Station as a member of Expedition 14 and Expedition 15. In 2012, she served as a flight engineer on Expedition 32 and then commander of Expedition 33. Sunita Williams is of Indian origin. Her paternal family hails from the western Indian state of Gujarat. Her mother's side are immigrants from Slovenia. She joined the United States Navy in May 1987. She was designated a naval aviator in July 1989. She has logged more than 3,000 flight hours in more than 30 aircraft types before being launched to the ISS as an astronaut.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.